Hello, guys. So, this is November morning, and after so many days of lockdown and staying back at home, we thought of venturing out into the woods early in the morning. So, we just set out for this place near our house. It is in Narendrapur, Kolkata. The place is called Chintamani Bird Sanctuary. It is basically near Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission. Those who stay in Kolkata will know about this place. This is a nice place for a morning out, a hike. You can call it a hike basically. The garden is famous for various birds, butterflies, ferns, and orchids. So we went there say around 5:30 in the morning, and the entry fee is rupees 120 per head, so we had to shell out 240 rupees in total. And I would like to say something like this is a sort of hiking, and hiking is equivalent to wellness. That's why I have put it up in my channel. As you already know that I deal in wellness, holistic wellness. So if you want to be well mentally, then you have to travel. And travel is the only thing that makes you rich even after you spend lots of money traveling. This is within the city limits, and we just wanted to break the boredom of COVID, the pandemic that has kept us tied to our homes for so long. So, this hike in the woods was really a nice change out of the ordinary. And you can see there's so much greenery around that you will feel mesmerized early in the morning. It's so soothing for your senses. This I want to say a little bit about this park. This Abhayaranya or sanctuary was given its status of sanctuary in 1982, okay, by the government of West Bengal. You can visit this place from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. throughout the year. There are a few birds that you will find there, not few exactly, but quite a few. So there's Asian quail, then brown fish owl, black drongo, then shikra, Indian pond heron, bronze drongo, egrets, cormorants, wagtails, crows. So that's found everywhere. And rufous tree, the kingfisher, woodpeckers of various kinds, flycatchers, and so many more. And there are quite a few spiders as well, and butterflies are also there. You will see them fluttering around. Some of the most common ones are peacock pansy, striped tiger, blue tiger, chestnut tiger, and so on. So, this was quite a handful. So, as you travel through these winding pathways, you will feel lost, you will feel like you are trekking in the deep woods. This sanctuary or bird park is not that big, also, but it will simply soothe your senses. And this is within the cities, so it's not such a big hassle, also, during the pandemic season. This place is very much near the highway or the bypass, as you can say, and anyone can reach there within a short time. And it's also near the railway station, Sialda. It's reachable from Sialda within, say, 30 minutes to 40 minutes. So people from the suburbs also visit this place. And you can just wear anything nice and comfortable. Like I chose to wear harem pants and my hooded jacket because it's winter. It's winter is